Okay, welcome to the Chima Dedicated Video channels. In today's video, we'll be looking at Bitcoin investment. I want to encourage you, if this is your first time of visiting our channel, good luck to you. For our old subscribers, returning subscribers, we appreciate you for being part of this community. As we have always done here, we'll show you a lot of online opportunities, something happening out there. I've always said it. At the time we are in is when wealth is going back to global citizens. That's why we have a lot of decentralized system. You understand? The macroeconomic structures are collapsing. That is, you don't expect the government of your country to be the ones to provide jobs and means of earning anymore. You need to understand what is going on. And Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, is one of the things you cannot afford to miss out from. And that's why I'm going to show you one of the best, if not the best presently, Bitcoin investment projects. And I know there are a lot of scams out there, and most of us in the course of investing online, we have lost so much money. I always tell people it's all about the good, the bad, the ugly experiences. But when we hit the bad, the ugly, it does not hinder us. We'll keep moving on because we are very sure we are still going to hit the good. So if you are one of those who trust our judgment here, I encourage you. I wouldn't want to deceive you, but listen to me. Still understand as much as it is that anything online and even offline could be very risky. Life itself is a risk. So take time after I show you this, but this is my utmost review. I've been able to take time, study, be part of this project and see that it's working out. So I encourage you to be part of it. I'm going to show you some things that will, help you to make informed decision. So once again, I'm going to share with you the best Bitcoin investment projects you have to invest in. I'm going to give you some guidelines on the best way to maximize your profits with this project. Once again, make sure you're part of this community. You have not yet. So subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification button so that you always be alerted whenever we release our regular videos on money making opportunities, business tips, everything that profits you as a 21st century global citizen. Now, like this video, share with others. Make your comment, ask us questions. We are here to answer your questions. Those who know me very well knows that I don't just stop at replying your comments on this channel. You can easily contact me on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Telegram. Talk more. Tell me, ask more questions. I'm fully open. I'm an honest person. I'm open. I don't hide myself. I remain the same person. Go to my LinkedIn, go to my Instagram, go to my Twitter. It's the same, username. It's the same thing. Go to my Facebook. It's the same name. Anywhere I am, it's the same name I use. I'm the same person. I'm not a scammer. So you are looking at someone who is telling you the gospel truth. So this is it. I'm going to show you the site now. And in the course of time, if you want to register, please do it to register with my referral link so that I can still benefit from my efforts in showing this great opportunity. So let's go now. Yes, the site I'm talking about, the Bitcoin investment project I'm talking about is KriptoFuture. Like I said earlier before now, there are a lot of projects online. There are so many of them. In the coming days, we're going to help and publish videos on what will help you to be able to understand scam projects and also some business tips that will guide you to do business online and be safe. It's part of what we do here. We promise to do here for you. Now, when you hear about this, the tendency, like I've been seeing some people recent time on this channel, they'll say, hey, go and sit down. You've come again and all that. I've always told those who, want to listen, and I'm sure I have so many of them, It don't because of the fact that there are some scammers out there think that you don't have genuine people. No. So many people are also there online to do real business. I've encountered scammers. I've lost money in the hands of scammers. In the course of buying from them, I lost. In the course of selling, I lost. But I learned from these things. Once I got scammed, I got this mistake into these troubles, I only learned from it. It won't stop me from, forging ahead. So please, without talking so much, when you register with this, I'm going to show you a few things you need to know about this company. Before I started projecting this company, I took time, I invested, I took time, studied a lot of things. And that's why I'm talking about. It's not a new project. It has been there for some months now. But why am I really talking about it so much now? I've taken time to study and prove what I needed to prove. So that's it. So when you join, there are packages. That's the first thing I'm going to show you, investment plans. These investment plans, we have the first one we'll call One Crypto Box. Because this is a trading company on crypto. Yes, and they use a robust system to do this. They into so many projects, like I'm going to show you, the ecosystem is so large. That's what shows their sustainability project they're running. Now, the first one is this $50 package. There are two packages. You can see the second one is the $100 package. The third one is $300 package. The fourth one, $500 package, $500. Then you have the $1K package. You have the 3K package. You have the 5K package. You have the 10K package. The night package is 20K. The 10 package is 30K. The 11 package is 50K. And the 12th package is 100K. So 100K is the maximum package. Why the minimum package is 50K? But let me tell you, once you register, because the first step in being part of this project is to register an account. Just to register. Once you register, you now think about activating your account. When you want to activate your account, the company charges additional $10 admin fee, and it's one time. No matter the package you're in. So if you are choosing the one on 100K, you're going to pay 100,000 plus $10, which is $100,010. If you are running with the one of $50, that means you're paying $60. No matter the package, you're only paying a $10 admin fee. So you have to know this. So if I assume it's okay, I want to go on with the one of $300. So bear in mind you must have at least 310, because that's what you're going to spend in activating the account. Now the question is, how do you activate your account? Because these are some basic things you have to know. You have to know these things, very important. You recharge or activate your account using any of these 4 coins. Number 1 is Bitcoin. If you don't have Bitcoin, you can use Dogecoin. If you don't have Dogecoin, you can use Litecoin. The company permits any of these 3 coins. And lastly, you can use the company's token called CryptoCoin. And listen to me, friend. This is one of the things I took time to prove on this company. The company have been there for some months now, but as of early June, they actually told us they are going to introduce their own token. In recent times, whenever you see any of these online programs talking about tokens, their own token, people get skeptical because most of the time it's a kind of easy scam. Once they bring in their tokens, they start messing up. So we are watching. And like they said, on July 30th, they introduced the crypto coin. When they introduced the crypto coin on July 30th, the market value of crypto coin was around 3,000 plus. $3,000. Yes, that's how high the value is. Actually, when a coin is introduced into the market, the initial value does not matter because it can even be $1 million. It should be the company that pegged the price. But the competition with other coins will tell you in the next few months, tell you what that coin is all about. As I'm talking to you now, go to hotbits.io, one of those exchanges. This crypto coin is selling close to $8,000. Remember, it started by 3,000 plus. So after how many months now? The coin has gone higher, appreciated over 100%. That's how wonderful. Because you know why? The company backed it up. The crypto future is not just here to do multi-level marketing and close shop. No, they're into real-time projects. In fact, like they said, the multi-level marketing part of this crypto future is going to be 2 years because they're into real projects. They are here for something else, bigger projects. It's not about getting people in and collecting from Peter to paper. No, that's not what they are doing. And so they made it a way that you can as well register with their coins. And you know what? That's part of the user case. And you know what they do? When you register with the crypto coin, if you can buy and register with it for any package, there's no charge. They don't charge you for withdrawal. They don't charge the admin fee. That's what they said. So that's exactly how it works. The admin fee is not there, and because there are withdrawal charges too. So once you are registered with KriptoFuture, all those charges are gone. So that is what is helping the company. And KriptoFuture have become a real tradable coin. You can visit Hotbit and just get to see it, and you see how the transaction movements and the supply and whatever the volume trade, it shows you they are there to stay. So these are some of the things. So that is exactly how it works. But when it comes to pay for payment, the system pays you with Bitcoin, and that is wonderful. For now, they pay only with Bitcoin. You can withdraw through Bitcoin. Once you initiate withdrawal, whatever, you must have attached your Bitcoin wallet, and they pay you through Bitcoin. Now I'm going to show you some other things. The question is, how much do they pay? What are the payment like? There are some many ways of payment. There's what we call the the daily profits. These daily profits, now I'm going to show you something. My financial. I've made withdrawal from this account before, but let me show you something. The company says, because we are trading, we don't have a fixed rate to promise you every day. Listen to me. A company that is sustainable, that tells you how it is right from the beginning. The company says we'll pay from 0.8% to 3% of your investment daily from Monday to Friday, only 5 days in a week, because our workers don't work on weekends. Now, when you hear 0.8 to 3%, somebody says, why? Why wouldn't it be fixed? No, it's what we generate, we'll pay. But this is the range. And I want to show you, it always happens. Let me show you from my statement. Like today's earning. Look at it. If you can watch this very well, profit sharing of today was 0.93%. Let me show you the one of yesterday. Okay, was profit sharing here was 1.61%. 1.61%. Look at it. If you can see this very well, why the one of today was 0.93, can see it, 1.61. The other day, it was 1.34. You could see that the company, like they said, it varies. You see 1.6 days, 1.3, sometimes you see 2. Last week, there was one of the days was 2%. So that is exactly how the company pays. So there's no fixed return, but you are sure that Monday to Friday, 5 days in a week, there are returns. And these returns can vary. And that is being frank and sincere and honest with their investors. And these are not only things we receive. We also have binary reward. What is binary? Once you join, if you are the type that likes building a team, if you don't want to build a team, you are earning this, your regular Monday to Friday earning. That's good for you. Yes. Now, but if you are building a team, once you have one right, one left that activated the accounts, you have qualified for binary, but you won't earn binary points yet. The one here, one there qualifies you for binary. So any other thing growing on your weaker leg, the company pays you 8% of any increase. Let me give you an instance. For instance, now you register and someone register under your left with the $5K pack. And that person registered on the $100 pack on the right. You qualify for buying on the right. Then after that, someone else registers and it's on your right. And the the $300 pack, not the 300K, now $300 pack, yes. That's on your right. That's your weaker leg now. Because that is on your weaker leg, that 300, the company will calculate 8% of $300 is $24. The following money you're going to see 24. That one is paid instantly. Yes, you see that instantly go. And as long as, if you look at what I've just explained now, the left side being the stronger side is still higher in points than this weaker side. So as you, in that case, you tweet your, I'm going to show you how to do this. Or you have to register first. If you still need question, I'm always here to guide you. So once you have to tweet your referral movement link, whether to right or left, this is where you need wisdom. So you don't keep it in a way where people are moving on the stronger side. You are losing binary points. So once it's on the weaker side, any other restraint coming up, as long as it's not up to equal to the other side, you keep on any binary. It does not stop there. Remember, I've mentioned 3 things now. You see the binary? Okay, you see the daily profit. Okay, again, I didn't talk about the direct referral. Direct referral, 6%. For instance, let me give you instance again. The person that registers under you in $5,000 pack, you instantly earn direct referral of 6% on that person. Yes, I know what it is. 6% of $5,000, I think it should be $300 or thereabouts. That's what you're going to earn. Yes, that's exactly what it is. $300. You earn it. So any referral, whether left or right, you earn 6% of it. That's instant. Now, binary is there. We also have the residual income. This is for those who are still building a team. Now, you don't earn each day your referrals, not only your referrals, you are indirect referrals too. That is, those you are second generation, third generation persons. Any day as they earn, there's a percentage you earn as well from their own earning each day. So those who are building very, high team and, very deeper team and all that, they earn so much. Because you see yourself, you're earning from the red referrals, you're earning from binary, you're also earning from that passive income. Not only from your direct referral, but from the team down deep there. And the company pays instant. Now, when it comes to withdrawal, because why am I explaining this is one after the other? Because of this, there are a lot of projects out there. And that's where many of us get into trouble. You see people sharing links. These people say, just click on a link, we'll pay you $200,000. Why? Where? How? And you watch, you follow it, immediately you join, they dash you $100. You say, wow. The question is, when do you withdraw it? When you want to withdraw, they start telling one story. They may even tell you to go and recruit 1,000 persons before you withdraw, which is madness. When you finish doing that, if you go and lie to your neighbors and friends and do that, by the time you finish doing that, they tell another stories. You can't withdraw anything. So, but this company, once it's $50, you can put up a withdrawal request, no matter the package you're running with. That's why we encourage, if you're joining KriptoFuture, it doesn't make sense. If you know you have a little amount of money, something that make money, you don't need to say, let me start with $50. And you're going to take some, 2 months to withdraw. One thing about running a program like this, once you join, you need to start withdrawing. That convinces you that it's working and helps you to prove to others that it's working so they can build your team. So if you have the money, start from the one of, 300 pack and above, or if you can invest higher. It's a real project. Now, it does not stop there. There are also what we call career plans. Career plans, as you grow in rank, they give you have ranks, Ruby, Emerald, and all that. There's a rank you get to, you start earning career plans. And it starts from $1,500 to $5,000. People win in career plans. And not only that, that career plan also, based on how you're growing in rank, you can qualify for, all these crypto future events. Last few months, that should be July, yes, there was a crypto future event in Dubai. Most of our upline members, I didn't qualify, yes, but one of our upline members, or most of them, not just one, qualified for it. And they were there. And as I'm talking to you now, by November, another event is coming in Dominican Republic, a place they call, is it Punta Rico or something like that. So there's a project, an event coming now by November. The truth about this is that even now, if you join now, the tendency of you, based on how hard you work, qualifying for that event is there. You can even qualify for all expense paid trip. It's a thrilling event. What I'm saying is not stories. No. Go online, Google it. Just type about the last Crypto Future event in Dubai. Just watch videos. And why they had that something in Dubai last time, I couldn't go. Most of us couldn't go, but the live event was showcased in Instagram and Facebook. We all watched everything live. It was live. It was live. We watched. It wasn't like stories told. We saw everything live. Though some of us were not there to witness the thing as it was. We watched the event live on Facebook and Instagram. So it's a great project. So if you have been thinking about where do I invest my cryptocurrency, my Bitcoin, I want to make it, and I tell you, if you understand what time is, why am I talking this long? I want to convince you. If you understand the time we are in, you can't joke with Bitcoin investment. You don't. This is a time. Experts have predicted that between now to December this year, Bitcoin is going to rise as high as $100. $100,000, I mean. Yes. And so this is the time to invest and increase your net worth in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. That's why in recent time I've been talking about crypto, because we see the need. So much of our subscriber here are here, looking for money online, and we have been talking about this. Sometimes we invest here and it fails, but don't joke with crypto investment. Very important. You can't joke with it. So that's why I encourage you. You have to be part of this. Get your money, but get the package that suits you. Run with it. Begin to grow your team. And if you're the type that says, I don't understand, I'm not good at marketing, no. Testimony makes marketing easy. Once you invest, you start withdrawing. Tell your neighbor, they start joining you. Because they could see live proof. It's not stories. Now, let me now round up by telling you how the company, so that you don't say you miss any information. The company pays you 300% of your investment. Now, simply before I round up, what does that mean? If you join with $100 pack, the highest you're going to receive is $300 from the company. Yes. You can receive that earlier than another person based on how you're growing your team and all that. Then somebody said, but that's bad. No, it's not bad. The company says, if you want to, once you get the $300, you have two options. Either you upgrade your account to a higher pack, or you renew your contract. What does that mean? I started with $100, and I have withdrawn, maybe withdraw up to $250. And I feel like by the time I got to $300, I'm over with this company. So all I need, I may wait till the time I get to $300 and withdraw. I now invest another $100 and start again. Yes, to earn another $300. So, some people will want that one. They will say, okay, at least we are sure. We are now adding up. We are sure we have withdrawn everything. And $300, let's start again. But you may not want to do that, starting up again. The right thing you may likely do, because when you start up again, it's just a complete new contract. All your old, team members are no longer under. You are starting a completely new contract. That your contract with the old members are gone. It's over. They are now on their own. You can't earn from them anymore. But the other way around, once you are back getting to $300, you upgrade your account to higher pack. Now let me give you an instance. If you are running on a $300 pack and you upgrade to the next one, which is $500, the company still, okay, you're running on $100, sorry, which you have 300%, which is $300 you're going to make, and you decide to upgrade to the next one, which is 300. That 300 you are going to upgrade to, you are now going to earn $900. You understand that? So that's what you do. Instead of waiting for the package to elapse and you lose every of your team, if you have a team, it's better you upgrade to the next package, which is 300, and you're now going to earn up to $900. If you keep on earning and withdrawing, and it go to a point where you now feel like, it's like I'm getting to 900 again, I will stop this. You upgrade to the next package, which is $500. And in that case, you have a maximum of $1,500 to earn. And that's the wisdom. As you are earning and withdrawing, once you are about closing that chapter, you upgrade if you see the need. But if you think, okay, I'm no longer interested, let me stop here, it's enough. But that's the wisdom. So don't miss this. I encourage you. So I'm going to stop this video at this point. Once again, like this video, share with others. Even if you don't have the money and you know nothing about this, there are so many people out there, your friends you can talk to. There's wisdom to do this. You can get people, once they show interest, you can get money anyhow, anywhere, and register first, and now let them register under you, and you start growing a team. So share with others, tell them about it. Even if you're friends, you can share with your friends and raise money to invest in this project. That's how people get it right today. Friendships should work together to create wealth online. I encourage you. Share the video, make your comment, ask me any question. And do not forget to subscribe if you have not done so yet. At the end of this video and the description page, I'm going to drop the link. Please, I'm giving you opportunity, a good one at that. I will encourage you to also join through my link. It will not only help me to, guide you the more, I will also earn by coming your way with this glorious offer. It's a golden opportunity. I didn't hide it to myself. I offered for you to see it. So please sign up under my link so that I can as well gain from this little effort. Thank you for your time.